Hello, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? Now I have come to pick up my friend. She is here. Yeah, come inside.
Hey Aisha,
Yeah. frankly,
how are you?
frankly speak. This is this Saint Jacob Farmers.
St. Jacob's
Saint Jacob.
Antique Market. Yeah, we thought it would be less expensive, but looks like it's more expensive than
I think
usual shops.
It's good we can buy new things with the same and lesser amount.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, this is so pretty, Shreya.
Yeah, so cute.
It's like all blue.
She should buy, no? But yeah, when they actually go to so pretty. Wow. It's scary, actually.
This looks so full.
It's just like a museum. But yeah, wherein you can buy the things.
Okay, Shreya, how was your Saint Jacob Antique Market
It's
experience?
amazing, no? Exactly matching with my financial status and all, It's like, I felt like buying everything, but I thought Aisha will feel bad, so I just didn't
Because
buy.
my finance is lower
Yeah,
than you.
because yeah. So I didn't want her to feel bad, so I just didn't buy
So
it.
if you-
I'll be coming on my own and getting all the
So
things I
if you
wanted.
have an option, like if you have millions together in your account,
Yeah.
will you come
I
and
already
buy?
have, sure, yeah.
Yeah, but
But you will ask,
will you buy this boat?
No. Only the wonderful things you've said that antique.
But
market.
what was wonderful? I didn't find anything wonderful.
Just acted
Maybe
because
maybe
you-
maybe I cannot
Class,
afford.
yeah,
I
different
cannot
class,
afford.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, where are
It's
we going
okay,
next?
Aisha.
Where are we
In
going?
the future, your class might
Improve.
go up and then
Where are we going next?
that Aisha will decide. No. Yeah.
See, either we can thrift stores.
So that I can make
Okay,
you
guys,
happy.
I want to show you the thrift store. Actually, I like I never been to that, but Shreya last she took me there and she showed me like how this work. But one thing I like about the thrift store is recycling process. Frankly speaking, it is a good thing that people are recycling their old belongings, clothes, and all. It's weird for all us people like us because we don't have anything like this in India, but I think many of the cities, metro cities, are coming up with this. Even in India they have the thrift stores now. But let us take you guys to thrift store, which is we'll visit Kitchener one or Waterloo. Waterloo we are already done.
Yeah, so maybe we'll go.
So
to
maybe we'll go to
Kitchener
Kitchener
one, yeah.
and then
bigger.
and then we'll go to that escape room, right? So what is the time? Do we need to book that, Shreya?
We can go there and book. I don't think today
Okay.
there
So
will be-
whatever we are doing, I'll take along with you guys.
Yeah.
Okay. Acting because I didn't took the shot when I actually picked her up. So, anyways, see, I'm so loyal. I'm not even like hiding anything
trying to
from
make
you guys.
me the
right?
yeah.
So,
Non-loyal person.
okay. So let's go because I think we are not sure for how long we can have this weather
Yeah.
available.
I hope the entire day, no?
Yeah,
Check
but
the weather, yeah, but
how
yeah.
many days we don't know
Ah,
because every
that's
day
right.
it changes. And second thing is like I feel like if the Canada was like Mother Canada, it has the same mood wings like our parents, like our mom. Like it keeps changing. So anyways, jokes apart, I know I had a very bad joke. Let us go to thrift store now, Kitchener.
Yeah.
And yeah.
God, you're publicizing thrift store.
Yeah, see, they should pay me, Shreya.
Also,
Anyway, I mean, you can just go to the road.
hello.
If you have this kind of climate, right? Canada is the best place
Country, yeah,
on
most
earth to
beautiful.
stay because you speak English, not like German, and it's okay. You can stay, you can talk to people, you can communicate, you can grow. But in winter, right? I always have this regret. Okay, why the hell I'm in Canada?
True that.
Yeah, even yesterday when we went, right, Shira, like evening it was like very windy.
Mm.
And yesterday I walked so much, I have got wounds on my legs. Like almost like 10 kilometers I was keep walking. I become like very violent when I was like walking. Like okay, I don't know when the summer is coming again. Let's see.
So beautiful, Aisha. Your side view. Oh my god. Wow.
And it is good chilly. Yeah, yesterday it was very very hot. So you cannot bear that hotness. When little wind comes, and that is good. Okay, guys. So these are like all old things which they just keep it for sale or they'll sell it like as it is. And yeah, this is a good place to buy at least the utensils and all because people like us will keep moving, right? So it's a good place to if you are looking something. This is like $1. This is like $2, and it looks so new. Shreya has got the cart. She will fill everything.
What nonsense you're speaking about me, Aisha.
No. $10 is too much.
Too much, no?
Yeah, if you go to dollar store, you will get lesser price, right?
Yeah, this is used, no? So
Yeah. Why to pay so much? Shreya, see, we have this sofa, right? This was your trolley, but I am keeping stuff.
Right? Yeah. And she just took a video like 30 seconds before this saying that Shreya will fill the entire thing. And then she used my trolley to fill all the things she wanted in 30 seconds after that video.
Yeah, and it's all
This
finished.
is how sincere her videos are. Just for your information. Yeah. Thank you. Bye. It was amazing, Aisha.
You look so tired.
Yeah, the fact that my trolley was, 3/4 filled by your pillows, you make it seem like Shreya is the one who is buying all the things, trying to raise your class and lower my class. But what is actually happening, your fans will never know.
My
What to
fans,
do?
wow.
Yeah.
I still don't have anybody. I think
It's my destiny,
Your
I
mom will
accept that.
come. Your mom will become soon. My mom is already a fan of mine.
Yeah,
So only 2 people.
Papa. She will also assume that, yeah.
So now we are in the Waterloo. We'll go get the chicken, make some Karnataka style pulao, chicken kebab, and go home. Go home, go back again, pick Naman from the work.
Pick Norman. Oh
From the
my
work.
God.
Then we can go.
Oh my God. Yeah.
I never waited my husband for such a long time. If this much of wait I had in my life, I would have been somewhere. I'm waiting here since for 15 minutes.
Oh my God. Did he know you came?
Yeah, I texted him. He's like, okay, leave now. I'm like, I'm already here, dude. So he's there. My Rajkumar is coming. The prince.
Oh my God. He's posing. Oh my God. He knows he's being shot. Yeah.
He saw this and he's like, okay, let me sit.
Oh no. Oh
It's
yeah.
okay,
there
it's
is
okay.
thing everywhere.
How was your day? How was your day? Not good? It's a full day. Waiting for the food, Shreya. Another 20 minutes. You are sitting like a cute doll. Still, we have this Ramzan Mubarak. I have to change it.
Can you smile? Rice only I like. Plain rice, like the pulao.
Yeah.
How do you do this, Aisha?
You saw me
Like,
today, right?
without onion, yeah, without anything. Oh my God. It's magical, Aisha's magic. I very much like this.
Right? The wife makes food and the husband gets chai. For the two beautiful girls.
Oh my God. Thank you so much.
देखो very nice.
What are you taking?
Chai. I'm taking from
Oh my God. Why are you not using front cam?
Oh, I can do that. Because the clarity will be good in the back cam.
Oh, is it?
You were capturing from the rear camera and you just flipped.
No, but even the clarity is different from the front camera to back camera. But yeah.
Much effect for that.
Honey Singh can sing a song for me. Blue eyes, hypnotize me, no.
Yeah, that's so nice, Aisha. That blue eyes, no? Yeah, it looks so.
Yeah.
What is that?
It's
Like,
Naito?
बोलो क्या बोला तुम खाने को लेके ऊपर
खाना
ये उधर मुड़ा
अच्छा है खाना
मुड़ा खाली चेहरा पकड़ अच्छा लगा तुमको
अंदर नहीं बनाने फूड
क्या पहले कभी नहीं बनाया बहुत इजी फूड है बोले तो काम नहीं बोल के काम है भाई खाना में काम है बट नॉट लाइक बिरयानी बिरयानी जितना काम नहीं है और बहुत सारी चीजें हमने नहीं डाला एक घंटे में बना दिया कबाब कबाब भी एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छा हुआ
प्याज डालते तो
किसमें प्याज नहीं था फिर भी लाइक ओके हमने फिर ग्रीन चिल्ली कोरिएंडर टमाटर डाल के पीस दिया पूरे वेजिटेबल्स ऐसे रोस्ट करके पहले आलू डाल के पूरा रोस्ट करके
बनाए
इट्स वेरी मिनिमल मसाला ओके गाइस, अभी हम लोग खाना खा रहे हैं। खाना खाने के बाद अभी एक दो गेम चेस खेल के मेरा रोज का फिर हम लोग सो जाएंगे। 11:30 बज गए। देखती हूँ मैं कल कहाँ पे जाने का सोच रहे हैं। मेपल फेस्ट बोल के कुछ हो रहा है एलमरा में, तो वहाँ पे जाने की कोशिश करेंगे। बट सुबह में बारिश दिखा रहा है, तो अभी ठंड कितनी होगी, क्योंकि 2 दिन अच्छा मौसम था। आज थोड़ा सा ठंड था बट ठीक था। जब बर्फ़ को देखा है ना, अभी ये इज़ लाइक फाइन। बट यही है कि सुबह में तो बारिश रहेगी, तो देखेंगे 12 बजे की अगर बाद जाएंगे तो फिर जो भी अगर अच्छा लगेगा, जो भी नहीं है तो पकड़ के आई जस्ट कीप दिस एज माई मेमोरी। लाइक sometimes I record the things because I feel like it's lot to remember. At least sometimes if I want to see something, I can just watch myself. I love that. Anyways, bus. It's very awkward to see camera and talk because मेरे को भी कहीं ना कहीं ये आदत नहीं है कि कैमरे को देख के बात कर रहा है। तो इंस्टाग्राम में 2 मिनट के लिए वीडियो बनाना और फिर यूट्यूब पे सच में वीडियो बनाना ऐसा लगता है कि भाई किससे ही बात कर रहे हैं। थोड़ा बहुत आई थिंक एडजस्ट हो जाएगा। बट एनीवेज मिलते हैं, ठीक है। हैप्पी वीकेंड गाइस एंड एंजॉय द गुड फूड। टेक केयर टिल वी